Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing popular videos in X. If you're looking for engaging and trending content, we'll show you how to discover the most popular videos tailored just for you. Let's dive right in with this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the magnifying glass icon and tap on it to access the search feature. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Videos for You. This section presents a curated list of popular videos based on your preferences and interests. Step 4. Now, let's explore the popular videos. Tap on one of the videos that catches your attention. X will instantly load the popular video you selected, allowing you to immerse yourself in exciting and trending content. By following these simple steps, you can easily view popular videos in X and stay up to date with the latest trends and viral content. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view popular videos in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.